everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a few of my favorite things. We have the Southern Fleek bath box, which you guys know I absolutely love. I've been sitting here sniffing it while I do my thumbnail shoots. We have my Vellabox, which is my clean artisanal candle, and I have my Fabfitfun, one of my dropship items. I will put links for everything down below. I do have a discount code for my Southern Fleek box and it is sent to me for review. And the Vellabox I am an affiliate with and it is sent to me for review. Let's dig into the Vellabox first. I get this monthly. Their candles come in 4 sizes, 4 ounces, 8 ounces, and 16 ounces. You will receive your candle. It will be in a nice canvas bag. You will also have a bonus product. I was gonna say bonus item, but a bonus product in here. It comes monthly and it is artisanal clean candles. You can burn it in your house without feeling worried about it. There are so many things in candles, phthalates and paraffins, and there are places where you buy candles that I would worry about the wick. None of that is in here. It is clean. I can burn it when my grandkids are around and feel good about myself. Actually, I burn it very seldom because I usually use my candle warmer, so I just picked my scent for the day, turn my candle warmer on, and it scents my house, whatever lovely scent I have chosen from my candle shelves. When you sign up for Vellabox, you will fill out a really thorough questionnaire. We'll find out everything they can about you and your scent preferences, because each month they work with a different artisan candle maker, and they usually have 3 scents each month, and they will pick the one that's best for you based on this really thorough questionnaire that you've answered. So let's get in here and see what I've got. I'm gonna set this aside. That's our bonus product. And then here is our candle. Look how pretty. I love the ombre on that. That is so pretty. Inside we have our paperwork. We'll try not to look at that too much because I do like to prove that I can't tell what scents are, but I like to try. First out, we have our bonus. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like maybe cloth napkins. Let's see what the paperwork says. This is a real fine line. Cocktail napkins, perfect, right where I looked. So I'm not ruining the scents, actually facing you guys now. Add a playful pop to your next gathering with this set of 4 100% cotton cocktail napkins, each featuring a charming food pattern in a unique color. Reusable and easy to care for. Simply hand or machine wash in cold water and hang or lay flat to dry. So don't put them in the dryer. We have actually received cotton napkins in the past in boxes, and I have used them not for napkins, but like to set things on in the kitchen. You could set your candle on this, you know, put it on a shelf, because look how pretty that is. This is like pears and cheese and baguettes and pizza, and that was orange themed. Oh, so they all have the same. So they're all the same, but this one was very orange themed. This one, believe it or not, in person is more a corally pink. Then we have this kind of olivey green and purple. I will absolutely find something to do with these. They're kind of small for napkins, like I don't know you, but they are so pretty. I love to have them around. Like when you do that beautiful charcuterie board that we just got on Fabfitfun, if you want to put like a jar with jam on it and have this hanging off the edge, so I find a million things to do with cute little napkins like this, more for design than using it as a napkin, but very pretty. And now to the candle. We have our little Vellabox canvas bag that I keep and I find a million uses for. My number one use, little tissue paper and a gift card in there. It's a great way to present a gift card. And then we have our candle. And we'll show you that. I haven't even looked at it yet. You know what? I'm not gonna look at it because like last month it said citrus and bergamot or something like that. And the month before it was very specific. So I'm not even gonna look, we're just gonna see. And this is my August box. Oh, it's nice. What is that? Vanilla maybe? And yet slightly perfumey. I'm so terrible at this. Why I wouldn't just look at the card or read the front of it and be like, hey guys, guess what this is? It is Satsuma. A blend of bright tangerine and delicate orange blossom evoke a fresh, citrusy opening. A touch of sea salt adds a breezy, ocean-kissed feel, while creamy vanilla rounds out the scent with a soft, comforting finish. It is uplifting yet serene, and it says Satsuma and vanilla on it. That is really pretty. I also love, that's what it looked like. My lid is gold this month. It can be gold, silver, white, black. It generally comes in the clear or the amber kind of colored, and it has subtle labeling, so it would fit into any room. It's just a real classic look. Even now that I know, I can kind of see the citrus in it now that I know it's in there. So it's kind of citrusy and vanilla-y. Creamsicle. It smells so good, but you can choose the 4 ounce, the 8 ounce, or the 16 ounce. I do get the 16 ounce. And if it's something that you burn, you can choose the size that you have found that you burn through each season, or if you want to start adding them to other rooms in the beginning. I just love it. I love that it's clean, that I always take my husband and myself out of this equation, and I shouldn't, because we should be breathing healthy things too. But I always say, I love that I know when my grandkids are coming here that I am doing this. I do still own, she said, looking at them, feeling guilty, some Bath and Body Works candles. I never burn them. I never choose them because I worry about them now. Now that I know all of the things that they put in candles, and I know they are not in these are the ones I reach for. 100% of the time, these are the ones I reach for. I will put all of the information for Vellabox down below, along with my code, Catherine50, which will get you 50% off your first box. So that is a really great deal. I was trying to make that look super pretty so I could show you guys a pretty presentation, but that is what it looks like, and I love it. It's one of my favorite boxes because I burn candles constantly. Speaking of favorites, and I don't think anybody wonders how I feel about my Southern Fleek bath boxes. This is the Southern Fleek bath box. She also does a laundry booster, which you can buy individually, or you can buy as a subscription box. I would have a hard time if they were like, okay, you can only ever have one of these boxes again. I would have a hard time deciding, because I do love this bath stuff, but man, I love that laundry booster too. I don't have to make the choice. I don't want to, I don't have to, but I will put links to Southern Fleek down below, along with my discount code. It is at her Etsy shop. If you have any questions, this is the bath box. She also does a shower box. I believe she does a men's box. All the fun things. This says Southern Fleek bath, tropic like it's hot. Tropic like it's hot. Anyway, when you open it up, that is what it looks like. We have paperwork now, and it's super easy to read and super pretty. And it says Southern Fleek bath. It's the July box. It comes near the end of the month. I realize this is the end of August, and that I've had this for a while. But each month you will receive, you know what, have I ever counted? I think it's, let me count. I was gonna say, I think it's 5 body products. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5 bath/body products. Sometimes it's bubble bars, sometimes it's bath bombs, sometimes it's lotion, sometimes it's shower gel. What else do we get? I should be able to do this off the top of my head. Did I say lotion on top? How did I not talk about this? This is the Southern Fleek whipped soap. It is, oh my gosh, pineapple passion fruit. She does the whipped soap and she does the body scrubs. She is Nikki. Nikki is the owner of Southern Fleek. She is our designer. She is our scent guru. And she does fabulous scents. That's what drew me to her initially, and I've never looked back. This is what I use for my bath products. This is the bath soap. She also does, she being Nikki, a bath scrub. And it's like the soap, but it has grit in it. Those are 2 of my favorite things that she does, but everything is wonderful. I'm gonna take the lid off so I can show you guys. Can you see how pretty that is? So pretty. Oh, it smells so good. Pineapple passion fruit, 100%. I wish this was a beverage. Oh, this would be so good over ice. It's just so pretty. You can see the pink and the kind of yellowy orange of it. It's just, I love it. I just love her bath products. And just for the record, you open it like that. You don't have to unscrew it each time, because you know, when you're in the shower and your hands are wet and you're juggling things, just so you know, very easy to do. Let me tell you what she said about it. I bet she said things better than, ooh, this smells really good. Pineapple passion fruit whipped soap. Lather up with this tropical cocktail of juicy passion fruit and sweet pineapple. Light, fluffy, and whipped to perfection. It cleanses like a cloud and smells like a vacation. It does too. It smells so good. That's what the top looks like too. So it's pretty when it's sitting in your shower. Next we have, oh my gosh, how cute is that? It's 2, it's 2. It says mango coconut bath bombs on the back. And she put it on cardboard so they wouldn't get broken. That is perfect. Oh my gosh, I can smell it through here. I could just sit here and sniff this all day. It would not make for a very good video, but it would make me very happy. This says Mango Coconut Flip Flop Bath Bombs. Double the fun. 2 amazing scented bath bombs with skin nourishing butters. Mango Coconut. Also would be a delightful beverage. Next out, we have a dragon fruit. So clearly fruit is our theme. Jumped right on that. Could you tell how I noticed? Dragon fruit bubble bar. So this one you're going to kind of crumble under the running water and you're going to end up with a bath full of fun bubbles. And it says crumble under crumble under running water. Sorry for the spoiler there. Crumble under running water and unleash bright pink bubbles and soft fruity fragrance that'll make your tub feel like a spa in a jungle. Exotic, fizzy fun. This one is a deeper scent. It's still fruity, but those are like bright and fruity and this one's like, hello, fruity. It's been a great day. How you guys doing? Next out, we have a coconut milk bath with vanilla bean. I mean, how good does that sound? It says coconut milk and vanilla bean bath, infused with coconut milk and vanilla bean and Epsom salts. It's the ultimate beach nap in a bath. Softening, hydrating, and totally luxurious. Well, we have to see what this smells like because I love all things coconut. Oh my gosh, it smells like coconut. I don't even really smell the vanilla, and it doesn't smell like coconut candy or a fake coconut. It smells like you're holding shredded coconut in your hand and you're sniffing it. That smells amazing. It smells like a macaroon, not a macaron, but a you know, the coconutty ones that are, that's what it smells like. It smells so good. I love coconut. It's definitely in my top 5 flavors. And last out, we have something bright limey. Oh, it's a boat. How cute is that? Oh, no, you can't see it. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the lights down. Oh, there you go. Makes me wanna come back and show you all of her colors because her colors are so bright and I'm not doing them justice with the bright lights shining. Look, I'm just gonna go back. You can see it better without the bright lights. They're just great. Is that it? Okay. Oh, no. Well, this one was white. You got that one, right? Okay. But that's the boat. How cute is it? Is it coconut? It says banana boat on it, but there's a picture of a coconut too. So we're going to go read about that. But how cute is that? Okay, now I have me again. But see how the boat, you can't tell it's his boaty. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. That smells very grown up. Oh, I don't know if you guys could tell. All right, I'm turning it down again. Could you guys tell when I was holding it up? Look, it's layered. There's like yellow and then a layer and then the yellow again. That is cool looking. Okay, me again. It says banana boat bath bomb, tropical banana, coconut, and a touch of vanilla swirl together in this fun fizzy bomb with the bubble frosting inside. It's creamy, fruity, and packed with skin-loving oils for the perfect end of a hot day. So the stuff on the inside is going to bubble, I would say. So you're gonna have a bath bomb and it's gonna get bubbly. How's it gonna get bubbly if you don't put it in under the running water? I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out though. It smells fantastic. I can smell the coconut. It's different though. This tasted like it was just straight off of, this tasted, I didn't eat it, I promise. That smelled just like coconut. This smells like a more adult scent where they've blended several things. It's all fantastic. That is what it looks like once you put it back in the box that I have totally messed up with the paper on. It's very pretty. I love all of her colors. I love all of her scents. I love the way it all makes my bath feel. It's one of the first things the kids go for when they're here. This is our most shared and loved box in the family. Everybody loves this box. But she does those same fantastic scents across her Etsy page. So if you go and maybe you don't want to do a subscription box, my code I think is good on her website. So I think you can put my code in after you pick and choose what you'd like, and I think you'll still get the same discount code. Okay. I will put all of the information down below for Southern Fleek Bath so you can go over and check her page out and see all of the fun things that she does. Okay, I only have one thing left and it's not really a big thing. It is just this little bag and I couldn't decide whether to open it or not. It is actually one of my Fabfitfun add-ons. And I thought about just keeping it for when I got my Fabfitfun box. I started to hold it, but if you are a, oh, these are huge. If you are a Starbucks fan, you know that yesterday was Pumpkin Spice Day. Yesterday was Pumpkin Spice Day. And I thought showing these would be perfect to share for Pumpkin Spice Day. My husband likes these. They are pumpkin spice. How stinking cute are these pumpkin spice slippers? And they've got the pumpkin spice on the front. They're so stinking cute. I struggle so much with what size to buy myself shoes and slippers in when they group sizing. I wear a 7.5 to an 8. And a lot of the sizing splits that 7.5 and the 8. So I have to decide if I want like a 6.5 to a 7.5, and I'm a 7.5, so that makes me nervous, or the 8 to the 9. And that's what I did this time. And this, I can tell by looking at it, these are way bigger than my feet. I am not even going to put my feet in these. I can tell so obviously. Yeah, this, oh no, this is a 9-10. I have people in my life who this will fit, so I will pass it along, but that's kind of disappointing because it's a 9-10 and I'm a 7.5, 8. Clearly I chose the wrong size, so yes, that's not my foot size. Okay. Well, there you go. That didn't end happily. What can we talk about? We started with the Vellabox. I got that beautiful Satsuma vanilla candle and those really cute napkins that I will decorate with. So very happy with that box. I will put the information for that down below. I am an affiliate and that will get you 50% off your first box if you sign up using my code. Then we talked about our Southern Fleek. I think we all know how much I love my Southern Fleek. It all smelled fantastic. It was fruity and coconutty and I loved it. Can't wait to see what August has. And then there's Steve. Okay, if you don't know that reference, you now think I've lost my mind. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here, especially when I'm having one of those particularly silly days. I can't wait to see you all again. I hope you will consider subscribing if you don't subscribe, and have a fantastic evening, guys. Take care. I say that because I post in the evening, but you might be watching this in the morning. Good morning. Top of the morning to ya. Okay. Bye. I should stop now.